Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Keybank Mobile Deposit. This service allows you to deposit checks into your Keybank account using your mobile device, saving you time and effort. To get started, make sure you have the Keybank mobile banking app downloaded and installed on your device. First, log in to the app using your username and password. If you are a new user, you may need to enroll in mobile banking and set up your account. Once you are logged in, select the deposit option from the main menu. Choose the account you want to deposit the check into and enter the amount of the check. Next, take a picture of the front and back of the check using your device's camera. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." The app will guide you through the process of taking the pictures and will verify that the images are clear and legible. After you have taken the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate. Check the account number, check number, and amount to make sure they match the information on the check. If everything is correct, submit the deposit for processing. It is essential to handle the check properly after you have deposited it using mobile deposit. Do not attempt to deposit the check again at an ATM or branch, as this can cause duplicate deposits and potential fees. Instead, store the check in a safe place for at least 60 days, and then destroy it to prevent unauthorized access. Best practices for using Keybank Mobile Deposit include making sure you have a strong internet connection, keeping your device and app up to date, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, be aware of the daily and monthly deposit limits, as well as any potential fees associated with mobile deposit. In conclusion, using Keybank Mobile Deposit is a convenient and secure way to deposit checks into your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of this service and enjoy the benefits of mobile banking. Remember to always handle your checks and account information with care, and contact Keybank customer support if you have any questions or concerns.